Hi there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert any sketch to B-Spline curve. So let's quickly jump into it, and here what you see is I am already in part design environment. Let me quickly click here on Sketcher so that we can go in Sketcher mode. And now let's say if I have a circle, okay, and I would like to convert this circle to B-Spline. And I really appreciate the FreeCAD is only a few software, despite being free, comes with these kind of capability. I mean, you will not see this kind of capability even provided by some of top end paid software. Okay, so here we go. Here we have option to convert the geometry to B-spline. All you need to do is you need to select the object such that this option can be enabled, and then click on convert to B-spline. And there we go. Here we can see we just converted our analytical shape or geometry to B-spline. Now we can play with it, and here we can see we do have these local points with whom you can control your shape and can optimize or customize it based on your requirement. And I also really appreciate that they also have provided these spikes or this whisker that kind of gonna help you in understanding the how smooth your B-spline curve is. So that's how, guys, you can convert any analytical shape or geometry inside Sketcher to B-spline curve. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam, as you're gonna find out entire FreeCAD course here, and of course not only FreeCAD but other engineering topics. Also, if you have got any kind of questions or doubt in your mind, please feel free to post them in comment down below, and I will definitely try to respond to you as soon as possible. And I will see you in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.